Hello students, our next topic is pen blocks in Scratch. If we want to draw with the help of sprite, so we use pen blocks in pen category. It means whenever sprite move on the stage, it will draw a line behind it. So let's see how pen blocks works. Let us now learn how to draw in Scratch. Scratch provides pen blocks for this purpose. The pen blocks are available under pen category of blocks and are green in color. Their color code is green. Let's first have a look at these pen blocks and then we shall use them to draw in Scratch. There are many blocks in pen category. So let's see different block. First is clear. It clears all the pen marks and stumps from the stage. Pen down. Puts down sprite's pen so it will draw as it moves because pen is touching on the canvas. So whenever we do pen down, sprite move and draw. Pen up. Pulls up sprite's pen so it won't draw as it moves because pen is lifted, so it will not draw because the pen is not touching the canvas. Set pen color to. Sets the pen's color based on choice from color picker. Change pen color by. Changes the pen's color by specified amount. For different color shade refers to figure 8. This one. Pen color 0 is at red end of the rainbow and pen color 100 is at blue end of the rainbow. Set pen color to. Sets the pen's color to a specified value. Color value are being given in figure 8. Change pen shade by 10. Changes the pen's shade by specified amount. For different pen color, shades refer to figure 8. Set pen shade to. Sets the pen's shade to specify amount. As you can see in figure 8 that pen shade 0 is very dark and pen shade 100 is very light. Change pen size by. Changes the thickness of the pen. Set pen size to. Sets the thickness of the pen. Stumps. Stumps leave impression of or trail or the shadow of the sprite onto the stage. So these are the blocks in the pen category. Drawing in Scratch using pen blocks. To draw in Scratch, majorly you will use these commands. First is stamp and pen down and pen up. Other commands like set pen color, set pen shade, change pen color, etc. supports the above commands for drawing. Let's first see how these commands work and then we will create some drawing using these tools. Working of stamp. First of all, we see the stamp. Stamp leaves the impression of the sprite on the stage. Means whenever sprite moves, so behind the sprite there is a trail of the sprite or shadow of the sprite will be pasted or printed. Like stamp move 100 steps. It will give you result as like this. When we give this command, stamp and move 100 steps. Next, working of pen down and pen up command. Pen down means pen is touching the canvas, and after this if you use a motion blocks move 20 steps, a line would be drawn 20 steps wide behind the sprite. Pen up means the pen is not touching the canvas. After pen up, if you use the move command, nothing would be drawn on canvas, but the position of the pen will definitely change. Let's see how this command works. Consider the code pen down move 100 steps. When we give this code, So this type of line sprite draw after moving 100 steps. Now carefully look at the following code that will draw using pen down. Then move pen ahead without touching the canvas using pen up command. The first is pen down, move 10 steps. Draw a line 10 steps long. Pen up, move 10 steps. Move the pen 10 steps ahead without touching the canvas. Pen down, move 10 steps. Again, draw a line 10 steps long. So pen down and pen up command works like this.